Look at this. It's a sunny day in the garden, and Wilf and Wilma are playing a game. Can you guess what it is? It is hide and seek. Look at Wilf thinking about where everyone has gone. Let's count with him. 1, 2, 3. Ready or not, here I come. Wilf is looking everywhere. Do you hear something rustling by the big green bushes? Let's check under the big wheelbarrow. Aha! There is Chip giggling under the wheelbarrow. Let's help Wilf ask, can you see us? Yes, we can. And look over there by the wooden garden shed. It's Biff. Single quote. Can you see me? She asks. Let's all shout together. Yes, I can see you. Yes, we can see you. Can you see me? Who said that? Was it Daddy? Can you see me? Yes, we can see you. Where is Dad hiding? Behind a tree? Under a blanket? Aha, we can all see Dad.